Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, brothers and sisters, we are starting our book 2 now. And as I had said many times, if you are strong in your Mubtada and Khabar, then this lesson is a halwa puri. If you are not strong in your Mubtada and Khabar, then this lesson is a hard chickpeas. You have a problem in digesting them. But inshallah, we know Mubtada and we know Khabar. And remember, when you talk about Khabar, Khabar is of 5 kinds. Khabar is of 5 kinds. Okay, brother? I write a sentence here. What did I write, brothers and sisters? Allahu Ghafurun Rahim. How will you translate? Allah is most forgiving and most merciful. Allahu. What is Allahu? Mubtada. What is it? Sahih. Where is the Khabar? Ghafurun. And what is Rahimun is also Khabar. When it comes to Allah, are you with me? We cannot say Rahimun is not. This is Khabar number 2. Only when it comes to Allah, we'll be doing it more, inshallah, and we'll learn. Now I'm putting something in front of Allah. What is it, brother? What did I do? Inna Allah Ghafurun Rahim. What happened now? What happened to Allah? It was Allahu, it became Inna Allah. Who did that? Inna. So what is Inna? How do I define Inna? What do you define Inna as? Can you read? Harfu tawqidin wa nasbin. How do you define Inna as? Harfu tawqidin wa nasbin. What is tawqid, brother? Emphasis. What is tawqid? Emphasis. For emphasizing. And what is nasbin? Something that will make the noun mansoob. Remember, harf jar made the noun majroor. So harfu nasbin will make the noun mansoob. Are you with me? Now mansoob will come. Are you with me? Now mansoob will come. Okay. So inna is a harf. What is harf? Particle. What is it? Particle of emphasis and making the noun mansoob. Okay, that is what inna is. What is the meaning of inna? Truly, verily, surely, definitely. But brother, these meanings do not convey the same force and intensity as inna comes with. Inna has its own sweetness and punch. And intensity that one has to understand Inna in Arabic only. Okay?
Tawqeed was?
Nasbin, brother. Tawqeed is emphasis. Tawqeed to Urdu mein tawqeed hai nahi hai. Sister Mehnaz, do we have tawqeed in Urdu? Tawqeed, Urdu? Yes. Taqeed kehte hain, this tawqeed. Taqeed is also correct. The nasbin is something which will make it, give it a nasab, which will give the noun a nasab. The noun has to come after inna. Okay?
Nasab, I didn't understand that.
Mansub karega bhai.
Acha, masab.
Okay? Nasab means mansub. Huh? It will make it mansub. Do you see what happened to Allah? It became mansub. Are you with me? Inna Allah ghafurun rahim. Okay. Now brothers and sisters, look at it carefully. What is Allahu? What is Allahu? Mubtada. What is Allahu? Sahih. And what is Ghafurun? Khabar. Fine. Now Inna came and it made the Allah mansub. Now what is Allah? We won't call it Mubtada. Huh? Because Mubtadas are always marfu. It is no longer Mubtada. What do we call it now? Here you have to understand. It is called Ismu Inna. What is it called? Ismu. Very simple. Ismu Inna. What is it? Allah is Ismu Inna. And I write down one more thing. Mansubun. And then what will I say to Ghafur? It is Khabaru Inna. What did I write, brothers and sisters? So Mubtada will change into Ismu Inna if the Inna comes. So if you know Mubtada very well, you have no problem because you know Mubtada change into Ismu Inna. And the Khabar of Mubtada, now because it is coming with Inna, we will call it Khabru Inna. What you will call it? Is it any difficulty here? Huh? Sister Maimuna? Huh? Ismu Inna and Khabru Inna, khalas. Which was our Mubtada Khabar, now it changed into Ismu Inna and Khabru Inna. Are you with us, Sister Fatima? Mubtada, what Mubtada change into? What Mubtada change into? Ismu Inna. And what is the Khabar now called? Khabru Inna. That's all you have to remember. And as you know, the Khabar can be of 5 kinds. So if it is one word, then the Khabru Inna will be marfu. Khabru Inna will be marfu. If it is not one word, then Khabru Inna can be Shibu Jumla. Khabru Inna can be Jumla Ismiya. Khabru Inna can be Zarf, anything. We know Khabar of 5 kinds. So that knowledge will greatly help you. Okay? Fine, brothers and sisters, I give you more example. I write here example. Hamidun, Hamidun, Talibun. Sahih. What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla Ismiya. And it is Mubtada and Khabar. Where is Mubtada? Hamid. And Talibun is Khabar. Now, Inna will always come in Jumla Ismiya. And the Jumla will remain Jumla Ismiya. When will Inna enter? Inna will enter into Jumla Ismiya. Because that's the way it is. When it comes into Jumla Ismiya, the Mubtada turns into Ismu Inna. Okay, brother? This is your mubtada and your khabar. Now put inna. What shall I say now? Inna hamidan. What will you say? Inna hamidan. Inna hamidan. Then what will I say? Talibun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So what will you say? Inna harfu tawqid wa nasbin. And what is hamidan? Ismu inna. And what is talibun? Khabar inna. That's all. Not a big deal here. Huh? Okay? Okay. Inna Allah Ghafurun Rahim. Inna Allah. Okay? Remove inna. It was Allahu. Fine, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now I come back to this. What is this, brother? What did I write down? Innahu Ghafurun Rahim. Okay. Inna has come. Inna has come. Brothers and sisters. So what is inna? Inna harfu tawqid wa nasbin. Huh? And what is who here? It is Ismu inna. What is it? Ismu inna. MashaAllah. Okay. It is. Are you with me? Ismu inna. Okay. Ismu inna is always mansoob. So who is here? Mansoob. Huh? Remember, kitabuhu. Then who was? Mudaf ilayhi majroor. Minhu. The who was ism majroor. Huh? Because of preposition. But when it comes to same who, when it comes with a inna, then the who is mansoob. Why it is mansoob? Because of inna. Are you with me? Because of inna. So it is very simple, brother. Okay? So if I say here, innahu talibun. Truly he is a student. So where is the ismu inna? Who? Is it mansoob? Yes. Why? Because ismu inna are always mansoob. Why? Because the ismu inna is always mansoob. Yes.
Why don't you put the fatah then if it's mansoob?
Where?
Inna ha. Why don't you make it inna ha? Oh, it's mansoob. Sorry.
We'll put inna ha
Okay.
to satisfy Sister Salma. Now it will be. Okay, make it now. Innaha, what will happen here? Talibatun. Talibatun. Are you with me? Innaha talibatun. See now, khabar matches. Do you see? Now, brothers and sisters, make it, they are students. What will you say? Innahum. Innahum tullabun. Are you with me? Now let us make it into hunna. What will you say? Inna hunna talibatun. Are you with me? Brother, once you understand this concept, now you can go to Qur'an and wherever inna comes, figure out where is the ism and where is the khabar. And you will love your exploration and your discoveries. Brother, are you with me? Where is ismu inna? Who? Where is ismu inna? Ha. Where is ismu inna? Whom? Where is ismu inna? Are they majroor or mansoob or marfu? Mansoob. Huh? We know inna will have mansoob. Fine, brother. Now, I write here something else. Huh? Where did I write, brothers and sisters? Anta talibun. Now let us put and emphasize it. So what will I say now? Innaka. Because ta is a marfu. So what will you say? Innaka. See, now in the Quran we say, Innaka anta samiul alim. So innaka, we are emphasizing. And when you say innaka, then he is in front of you. You are talking to him. Innaka anta tawwabu rahim. So anta was used for emphasize here. When it comes to the Quran, we will learn it. But innaka, truly you, talibun. Now I say, Anti talibatun. What will I say now? Innaki. Khalas. Talibatun. Sahi, brother? Now, I am a student and I want to emphasize. Inni or innani. Both will be correct. Let us write down inni talibun. Nahnu. Inna now or inna. Inna tullabun. Sahi? Antum. Antum tullabun. I want to emphasize. Innakum. Tullabun. Now I want to emphasize sisters. Antunna talibatun. Inna. Brother, tell me, isn't it easy? Why you are doing it so fast? Because you have the idea of pronouns. You have the idea of pronouns. And you have the idea of mubtada khabar very well. That's it. That's the lesson, brother. That's the lesson. Okay? So once you understand with this foundation in you, things become easy, brother. And you are going to enjoy it. Now there are other complementary things with inna that I will show you inshallah tomorrow. Brother, there are so many beautiful things from Quran. If I'll tell you, you are going to love them. Okay. So is it clear, brother? What is inna? Harfu tawqid wa nasb. Say everybody together with me. What is inna? Harfu tawqid wa nasb. One more time. Harfu tawqid wa nasb. Say one more time. Harfu tawqid wa nasb. What is the translation in English? Particle of emphasis and making the noun mansoob. That's all. That's all. Okay. And then mubtada will change into Ismu inna. And the Khabar will change into Khabar inna. Khalas. That's all there is to be learned.